Getting an eviction off your record can be a challenging and complex process, but it is possible with the right approach. The first step is to understand the circumstances under which an eviction can be removed from your record. In general, an eviction can be expunged if it was filed in error, if the case was dismissed, or if you won the eviction lawsuit. To start the process, you will need to obtain a copy of your eviction record from the court where the eviction was filed. This document will provide you with the necessary information to proceed with the removal process. Next, you will need to review the eviction record to determine the reason for the eviction and whether it can be expunged. If the eviction was filed in error or if the case was dismissed, you can file a motion to expunge the eviction record with the court. You will need to provide evidence to support your claim, such as documentation showing that the eviction was filed incorrectly or that the case was dismissed. Another option for removing an eviction from your record is to negotiate with your landlord. If you and your landlord can come to a mutual agreement, they may be willing to withdraw the eviction or provide a letter stating that the eviction was filed in error. This can be a more efficient and cost-effective way to resolve the issue. It is also important to note that some states have laws that allow for the sealing or expungement of eviction records after a certain period of time. For example, if you have not had any other evictions or rental issues for a specified number of years, you may be eligible to have the eviction record sealed or expunged. Throughout the process, it is essential to keep detailed records of all correspondence and communications with the court, your landlord, and any other relevant parties. This will help you to track your progress and ensure that you have the necessary documentation to support your claim. Ultimately, getting an eviction off your record requires persistence, patience, and attention to detail. By following these steps and seeking professional advice when necessary, you can increase your chances of successfully removing an eviction from your record and improving your rental history.